Math Day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead channel, where we turn your math worry into mastery. I am Jill Marie C. Hernandez, and together, let us have fun while learning. In this video, we will focusing on illustrate arithmetic sequence. But before talking of what is arithmetic sequence, let us first know about what arithmetic and sequence means. So, if we say class arithmetic, it is a branch of mathematics dealing with the properties and manipulation of numbers. And if we say sequence, it is the movements of events or things that follows a particular order or a pattern. Now, for the learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to define arithmetic sequence, illustrate an arithmetic sequence, supply the missing terms of an arithmetic sequence, and identify if it is arithmetic sequence or not arithmetic sequence. But before we dive into today's lesson, let's start with a quick warm-up activity to get our brains in gear. Are you ready for a little challenge? So this is what's next. So what are you going to do is to guess the next figure. Our first figure, we have here a flower with 1 petal. On our second figure, a flower with 3 petals. On our third figure, a flower with 5 petals. And a fourth figure, a flower with 7 petals. So, what will be the next figure? Again? Okay, very good. So, our next figure is a flower with 9 petals. So, next. If we have here 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16. What do you think is the next number? Okay, very good. So the next number is 20. Okay, again, 0, 4, 8, 12, and 16, and 20. Okay, so next. What will be the next if we have here 1, 3, 9, 27, and 81? So, what do you think is the next number? Okay, so correct. So, the next number is 243. So, we have here 1, 3, 9, 27, 81, and 243 or 243. So now, the question is, how did you find the next figure or number, and what have you noticed with the given set of figures and numbers? Okay, so to find the next figure or number, we are looking for? Okay, so we are looking for a pattern. Very good. Now that we're all warmed up, let's flow into our main focus for today, illustrate arithmetic sequence. Are you ready? Let's get started. For you, what is arithmetic sequence? Very good. An arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the next term after the first term is obtained by adding a constant number called common difference. For activating our knowledge, let's start with a classic example. Example, we have 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, and so on. In this sequence, the first term denoted by a sub 1 is equal to 5, second term denoted by a sub 2 is equal to 9, third term or a sub 3 is equal to 13, fourth term or a sub 4 is equal to 17, and the fifth term or a sub 5 is equal to 21. And the pattern is the following. The pattern continues without end since it is an example of infinite sequence. After the first term, to determine the next term, we have to add 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. And 17 plus 4 is equal to 21. there is a constant number to be added to each term, and that constant number is the common difference. To determine the next term of this sequence, we have to add 4 to 21. And the next term of this sequence is equal to 25. And since there's a common difference in this sequence, this is an example of arithmetic sequence. To determine the common difference, all we have to do is to subtract any two consecutive terms of this arithmetic sequence. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 13 minus 9 is equal to 4. 17 minus 13 is equal to 4. And 21 minus 17 is equal to 4. The common difference is equal to 4. If there is no common difference, the sequence is not arithmetic sequence. Another example, we have 7, 10, 13, 16, and so on. Let us check if there is a common difference by subtracting any two consecutive terms of this sequence. We have 10 minus 7, 13 minus 10, and 16 minus 13. There is a common difference of 3. Therefore, it is an arithmetic sequence. And to determine the next term of this arithmetic sequence, all we have to do is to add the common difference to 16. 16 plus 3 is equal to 19, and 19 is the fifth term of this arithmetic sequence. Let us have another example. We have 3, 10, 17, 25, and so on. Let us check if there is a common difference. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 17 minus 10 is equal to 7. And 25 minus 17 is equal to 8. There is no common difference because 7 is not equal to 8. Therefore, the sequence is not arithmetic sequence. Okay, class, are we clear? Alright, to wrap up this lesson, try solving these problems at home. You can send your answers to me at hernandezgilmarie@gmail.com. So for developing competencies, we have answered the following. Number 1, is the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on an arithmetic sequence? If yes, what is the common difference? Number 2, is the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on an arithmetic sequence? Explain why or why not. And last, if 5, blank, 15, 20 is an arithmetic sequence, find the missing term. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.